Are you working in a doc or slides and want to present them to a meeting? No need to navigate back to your Meet call to click the button. Just present right within the file in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today we'll show you how to present to Google Meet right from a Google Drive file. Let's get started. In your doc or slides, click the Present button. You will see a list of your meetings pop up. Click on the meeting, confirm the tab, and that file will be automatically presented there. So there you have it. Present to a Meet from a file in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube.